Welcome back. This is vlog 22. If you're watching this on the day it's being released, it's Thanksgiving Day right now. You all are having some nice turkey time with your family. Got to eat that nice delicious turkey. I'm at Boca Ciega Millennium Park right now. It's a nice park with some mangroves and stuff all over the place over here. I'm going to be flying here today. It's kind of chilly. There's a few people in the park, so I'm going to try to avoid them for the most part. But it should be a really nice spot. I'm kind of excited to fly here. I haven't really flown here yet. I've been here before, but I haven't actually flown here. It's a really nice park. It should be pretty cool. I'm at the top of the tower now. It's really nice up here. You can see there's the water all over there, some mangroves and stuff over here, more over there. There's mangroves everywhere pretty much, but it should be a pretty nice spot to fly. There's not that much wind. It's only blowing about like gusts of 20, I'd say, so it's really nice up here. There's another family coming up here, so I have to watch out for them. I'm probably going to land down there. That's not where the landing deck's going to be, but it should be a nice spot to fly, honestly. I'm kind of excited.
Don't give up on me. It's not over. A time will come when all the ghosts will leave. My heart's been getting louder. I swear I can't go on without you. I know I'm not good at explaining, but parts of me are changing, and I want your love. Tell me what you wanna know. I don't wanna let this go to waste. Love is not the safest road, but I won't let you walk this path alone. My heart's been getting louder. I swear I can't go on without you. I know I'm not good at explaining, but parts of me are changing, and I want your love. I want your love.
That's the end of the vlog for today. I really like this spot. It's pretty sketchy though. Like, you can pretty much only land wherever you took off from or on the boardwalk here. There is 2 times when I had to land on the boardwalk. Both of them were kind of because like emergency crashes because the battery was dead. On my second pack, when I took off to go fly to the island and back, when I got there, the battery started dying. I'm like, no, 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 please don't die. Except it was dying, and so my heart was pounding, so I'm just like, I'm not gonna let off the throttle. I have to make it back. So I made it back, and I made like a complete emergency crash land on the boardwalk. I sort of just like came in from super high and just sort of guesstimated where the boardwalk was, and luckily I didn't crash in the salty sand or mangroves down there, because that would be pretty bad. Might ruin the quad. But as always, onward and upward. I hope you liked the vlog for today. That's it for today, and have a happy Thanksgiving. See ya.